Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find your Roblox security cookie. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you want to open up the Roblox homepage. Click on it on an empty slot, and then select Inspect from this menu. Now from here we will click on the arrows. And then we want to go into Application. And right here you should see Cookies, which is going to be like this. Click on this little drop-down menu and select roblox.com. And here if you click on either of these two cookies or these two screens is going to generate you or show you the Roblox security cookie here, and you can copy it. I won't show it to you because you can steal this account. Not that I need it, but here you click on header, this one or this one, and you can get the cookie for the specific account. So that's basically how you can find your Roblox security cookie. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.